We get a lot of people saying, oh, it looks like Rochester's back up and running. The town, the main streets, looks like it is, but if you drive down the residential streets, pull up anywhere, look at a house and you'll be able to look through and see the back fence.
You open front doors and, everything's gutted, they're not living in there, there's a caravan at the front or the back.
We're 6 months down the track and we look pretty clean, but it's, once you start delving below, things aren't that flush.
Rochester's a town nestled on the banks of the Campaspe River, population approximately 3,000.
It is just a great little town, a great feel, it's so friendly, and we've got great people here. On the 14th of October last year, 2022, we experienced the worst flood in our history, and it impacted the majority of our town.
It inundated 900 homes. Nearly every business in town was inundated.
There is a little bit of a black line at the front counter that shows you the water height, the white shelves that you see going around. The water got above that.
What we launched at the start of the year was Shout a Membership. The concept being for people to donate a membership to a Rochester person or a Rochester family, and that's enabled us to give those locals a free membership for their families, connect here and feel like a community again. We've got a really important role to play as a football club, netball club. Things have changed. Once upon a time, our main place to get together was church, in a bygone era. We don't really do that these days. So this is a place where a community, friends, family can come together, have a chat, share a moment, tell each other how they're going. In this time of crisis, connection's important. Really important for mental health and our well-being. So that's our role and we're really hoping we can facilitate it.
Well, firstly, thank you everyone for having me tonight. It may sound silly, but it can be kind of intimidating coming in at the last second to train with a footy club and obviously to ingratiate yourself with the rest of the community here. And you've all been incredibly welcoming. I should have repaid that with some thanks, but instead I ran into Chook and put him on his butt during one of the training drills. Yeah, I think the message that, I'm trying to get through, at least from my own individual perspective, is that, I sat in these rooms when I was younger. When I was 18 years old, I was in local footy clubs, I was in talent pathways in Victoria, and we didn't get these messages put to us around taking care of yourself. And so for the players that are here, I hope that hearing the story of someone who was very successful at a young age in a really high profile and highly touted position like I was, still having those issues, I hope that all of them can take it away and understand that, anyone can suffer. Anyone can have issues with this, and it's all about being proactive and going out and seeking the support that you need when you need it.
Today, it's always marked on our calendar against the Chuka, our local rivals.
I've lost 3 grand finals to them, so yeah, we're not a big fan of them.
In the past, it's been a bit of rivalry.
We don't like them.
We've got mutual respect for each other. Chuka are very, very strong and will be challenged today on the field and on the courts.
It's getting everyone together, and it's just that, a place where you forget really what's happening and you're there for everyone. And Footy Netball Club will be pinnacle in the community getting through.
Right now, we're in a bit of a rebuild ourselves, similar to the town, and our focus is on community and coming together, and we've nicknamed this year Recovery and Reconnect.
Country footy sponsorship for us is about connection, and it's about making sure that we've got that voice in the community.
I think it's a great initiative for WorkSafe to come and visit us. We're a strong rural and farming community. Workplace injury is very high in our agricultural sector.
Footy club, netball clubs are the clubs and the environments that we really want to speak to. We've got workers who are young, we've got farmers, we've got all sorts of demographics in these environments, and we just really want to connect with people as much as we possibly can.
What's our number one focus here now, right now, first quarter? Pressure. Pressure.
Fantastic day. Not the results on the field, but we expected that, to be honest. We're rebuilding. Great vibe around the ground, a lot of fun. We're going the right way. I'm really excited about what's ahead of us.
Rochie is very special. Everyone's there for each other, and I guess that's what the footy netball club is. It's that support mechanism. It's a family.